So guys, this is the fastest way to grow here on YouTube. Like fastest way to get views, fastest way to get subscribers, and also the fastest way to get watch hours. So yesterday I was on a conversation with one of my old students who signed up for my 1 month class, and we were basically talking about her channel, and I was trying to let her understand that I'm proud of her and I'm proud of the kind of growth she's having on her channel, because one of my students, I actually linked her to go ahead and follow this my old student, and she was like, ma'am, this lady's channel is doing so well for someone who just started uploading to be having that kind of views and a lot of things. So she was like, please ma, what is the secrets behind this beautiful channel? And I told her, don't worry, I'm going to be telling you about that, which is today. So basically it just came to my mind and in my spirit for me to come up here to actually share the secrets behind that channel success. Yes, so what I'm going to be telling you now are the basic things we did on that channel. That is the foundation of the success of that channel. See, there's one thing that we need to understand here on YouTube. That is how YouTube operates. So if you don't follow it that way, you might miss out a lot. This particular thing that I did on her channel, basically what I did on this my new channel. And if you all remember, I even made a video relating to this particular thing. I told you that it was the moment I was able to do the basic right things on this my new channel that made this channel pick up. So right now what I want you to do is, if you have a book and a paper, get it down, as I'm about to blow your mind with every single thing I did on that her channel and the reason why this her channel has been doing pretty well. So now the very first thing we did on that her new channel was we went down to that channel general setting and we went ahead to fix every single setting there. You know, when you go to your YouTube Studio desktop version, you go down to that your channel general setting, you get to see on that channel you see basic info, advanced setting, and feature eligibility. So the first thing we did there was to go ahead and feed the algorithm first with every single thing relating to the channel. This particular thing, I don't know how to explain it again. It's really working, and if you do it the right way, it's going to work out for you. So, and if you're wondering how can I even be able to do this, or what does this even mean, it's simply you telling the algorithm what your channel is all about. It's as simple as that. Or what you just need to do is to go ahead to Meta AI or ChatGPT and give it your prompt. Please help me generate a general channel keyword for my channel. My channel is based on so and so. If it is lifestyle, go ahead and tell ChatGPT. If it is YouTube growth or gaming, whatever thing your niche is all about, just go ahead and present your prompt to ChatGPT or Meta AI or even TubeBuddy or VidIQ. We have a lot of them like that, and they're going to come up with the best and the right general channel keyword for you. Now once you're able to fix that, you go ahead to your advanced setting, go ahead and fix all the important basic settings. Then after that, you go to the feature eligibility. Now this feature eligibility, they might not be turned on once. I think you can be able to fix two. Yes, because for that my student channel, we were able to fix two. It was after her first and second upload that YouTube enabled the last one. So after that, the next setting we did on that channel was to go down to that second option, which is the upload default. You know, under the upload default, you get to see your basic info and your advanced setting. That basic info, you don't really need to put anything, but you see that under that advanced settings, just go ahead and make sure you fix every single setting properly there. Like every single setting, make sure they are set the right way, because under this advanced setting, you'll be letting YouTube know the license of your channel and also the category and a lot of things like that. So now once we're done with that, the next thing we went ahead to do was, of course, the channel customization. Now mind you, under this channel customization, you get to see your profile and your home tab. So for the home tab, you need to get videos there before you be able to fix it. But under the profile, it's just for you to go ahead and fix your banner image, your profile, and also every single other settings left there. So after being able to fix every setting under this home tab, we went ahead to also generate this auto subscribe link using her channel URL. So if you're out there and you don't even know how to generate this auto subscribe link, you can go ahead and drop it in the comment section. I have a video on that, and I'll just go ahead and forward it to you. Now, after we were done fixing all these settings, the next thing I taught her was to how to simply optimize your videos. Guys, video optimization is very, very important. No matter how quality your content is, if it lacks proper optimization, you're going to be stressed, because you're going to suffer what we call low views. I watch some YouTube videos here and I'll be like, God, these videos are just too good to not have good views. I don't know if you guys can relate to this particular thing now that I'm saying. Some videos here that are just too good to have low views. So now I taught her how to properly optimize your video. And if you're wondering, what does it even mean to optimize your video? Optimizing your video is just for you to be able to use the necessary and the right keywords in your titles, in your description, and also let the keyword appear on your thumbnail. Author is as simple as that. And also your tags and hashtag, every single thing should be in correspondence with the video and also with the title. If you're still confused on this particular point, I have a video on that. If you're interested, go ahead and watch it so that you can be able to learn how to properly optimize your videos. Optimization is very, very important, and of course, definitely this helps your video come out on search results. Yes, so after we were done with this particular optimization, I taught her how to upload on YouTube. And one good thing that actually helped this her channel, let me just be honest with you guys, is simply uploading from the YouTube desktop version, not from the main YouTube app, because through the YouTube desktop version, you'll be able to give that video 24 hours or 2 days for the video to sit before coming public. Now the YouTube algorithm will know what your channel and what your video is all about, and know the right person to push out that your video to. Yes, and while uploading your video from that desktop version, you will see a lot of settings, even thumbnail testing and the rest of them. That is a lot of features which are displayed on the screen here. You'll be able to have access to all of them. So guys, after that, the next thing I told her to make sure to do is to provide valuable content. It's as simple as that. If you go ahead and watch that her vlog, you definitely see that for each video she drop on her channel, you will learn something. You learn something from the vlog. That is just what we call uploading valuable content. You might just be uploading reaction video or even comedy like video, and you are still uploading valuable content. Valuable content simply means when a person watch that your video, the person is going to grab something. I think this should be the best explanation. Yeah, that is what we mean by valuable content. So guys, this was the basic things she was able to do on that her channel, and that her channel have this beautiful face. So if you're out there, you're suffering from low views, your channel is not growing, you're just so tired of that channel, or you've been on that channel for like 2 years, no growth, why not go ahead and create another channel? Yeah, just create new one. Follow every single thing that I just told you in this video. Follow every single thing. And also, if you want to optimize your video, you have your ChatGPT. We use ChatGPT sometimes to generate her video titles, her video description, her video tags and hashtag. So guys, there are a lot of work you need to put for your video to stand out. Some people have this luck of just uploading any random video and boom, it will blow up. So but the question now is, what if you don't have that luck? Will you just be trying till the luck hit you? No, you need to try get that luck. Yes, you need to try get that luck. Upload your videos the right way so that it can get to the right audience. And before I forget, another thing that she started doing on her channel was to each video she upload, like each long form video she upload, I taught her how to be able to bring it to short, that is from the CapCut direct. So if you don't even know how to do this one, drop it in the comment section. I have a video on that on my channel. I'll just forward it to you. So once you upload a long form video, what you just need to do is to take some parts and post it on short. From one long form video, you can be able to post up to like 3 or 4 shots if possible. So guys, this is her channel. You can go ahead and check out all her videos and also engage with her. This is the secret behind this new channel that you guys are seeing here. For a channel with just about 60 subscribers, these are the kind of beautiful views that she's having on that channel. So this is me telling you out there that you can be able to do it if you fix the right thing. And let's say maybe you have a channel, you've done all these settings and still you're not seeing any growth. Is it possible for you to create new one? If it is possible, go ahead and create new one. You will still grow. Who knows, that new channel might elevate you. So guys, I don't want this video to be too long. We have to stop here, and of course I'll see you in my next video. But wait, if you've not liked this video, go ahead and like, drop me your comments. What is your thought on the comment section? And also do not forget to share this video so that a lot of people suffering from low views or confused about our YouTube channel in general can go ahead and benefit a lot from this video. So bye now, and see you all in my next video.